When it comes to enhancing the aesthetic and functional appeal of your outdoor living space, few elements can rival the impact of beautifully designed garden walls. These structures not only serve as boundaries, but also act as canvases for artistic expression, providing a unique opportunity to blend nature with creativity. By incorporating creative garden walls, you can transform an ordinary yard into an extraordinary retreat, making it a perfect setting for relaxation, entertaining, or simply enjoying the great outdoors. Creative garden walls come in a variety of materials, styles, and designs, each offering a distinct charm. From rustic stone and elegant brick to modern wooden slats, the options are virtually limitless. These walls can be adorned with climbing plants, vibrant flowers, or even intricate mosaics, allowing homeowners to personalize their outdoor spaces to reflect their individual tastes and preferences. The right garden wall can dramatically enhance the visual interest of your landscape, creating focal points that draw the eye and invite exploration. Beyond their beauty, garden walls serve several practical purposes. They can provide privacy, shielding your outdoor space from prying eyes and creating a serene environment for relaxation. Additionally, they can help with soil erosion, acting as a barrier that retains moisture and nurtures the plants within your garden. By strategically placing garden walls, you can also create distinct zones within your outdoor area, defining spaces for dining, lounging, or gardening activities. To truly discover the beauty of creative garden walls, consider incorporating innovative design elements. For instance, a vertical garden wall can transform a simple structure into a vibrant, living art piece, showcasing an array of plants and flowers that change with the seasons. Alternatively, consider a wall that doubles as a seating area, providing both functionality and style. Incorporating ambient lighting into your garden wall design can also enhance the atmosphere of your outdoor space, creating a warm and inviting environment for evening gatherings. In today's eco-conscious world, many homeowners are seeking sustainable solutions for their outdoor spaces. Creative garden walls can be constructed using reclaimed materials or designed to support local wildlife, such as nesting birds and beneficial insects. By incorporating sustainable practices, you can create a garden wall that not only enhances your outdoor living space, but also contributes positively to the environment. In conclusion, discover the beauty of creative garden walls for your outdoor living space and unlock the full potential of your garden. With their unique blend of aesthetics and functionality, garden walls can elevate your outdoor experience to new heights. Whether you opt for a classic stone wall, a modern vertical garden, or an eco-friendly design, the possibilities are endless. Embrace your creativity and let your garden wall tell its own story, making your outdoor space a true reflection of your style and personality.